Command Your Life. Chapter 1. Start your journey towards taking charge of your life. Your life is your own making. No one else but you, and you alone, are in charge of your life. You are the driver who steers the wheel, and the direction or path that you take is, and will always be, of your own making. But how do you command your life to the exact path that you want it to take? How will you go about in shaping your destiny? In this series, you can expect to learn all the things that you need to know in order for you to take full control of your life. After learning this, you will definitely find it easier to take charge of your life. Do you look at the lives of people around you, and wonder how they achieved the kind of life that they have, when your own seems to feel a little bit of a disappointment? If yes, then, it is high time that you seriously take things into your own hands, start making a change, and take charge of your own life. Many people do the same work every single day, and they feel completely happy with that. However, if you cannot help thinking how you are letting your potential go to waste, and have this subconscious desire for more thrill and more action, it is a must that you put some positive action into your system. If you know that you had already been in an entirely different situation, chances are, you would have chosen to take things in your own hands, working towards goals that are more ambitious. If this is the line of thought that you have right now, then it is important that you do not allow the situation's inertia to pull you down. Never try making up excuses to rationalize why you are still not making the most out of your potentials. In case you have this burning fire in your heart, and you know that you have the ability to do things, make sure that you do not allow this prowess to simply go to waste. In order to lend you a helping hand in determining if you are really happy, comfortable, and satisfied in your current state, there are several questions that you need to answer first. Are you someone who attempts things and just leaves them when you are already midway? Did you learn some skills, and start some courses, but never put them into action? Do you hate being pushed, or hurried? Are you always delaying the deliveries of the project that you handle, and never feel bothered regarding the delay? Do you like preparing a lot for your trips, or house redecorations? Do you linger in the past, and look back with longing, to those times when things have been better? Do you feel that time is very limited for the things you want to do, but you still spend hours after hours doing nothing, or moving like a zombie? Do you love watching the lives of those famous and rich people? Did you ever wonder why you have this burning desire to learn the details about the lives of other people, and whether you are only trying to fill in the void of your own life, in some way? Are you dreaming of doing earth-shattering things, but you never get down to actually doing them? If several of these questions get a yes for an answer, it is about time that you start thinking of things that you can do to break away from the inertia, put an end to all of your whining, and take charge of your own life. By taking charge of your life, you will be the one to make the choices on how you view your current situation. You must learn how to stop fooling yourself, and start to realize that the safety of the shore you are in might actually be more damaging to yourself than what you may think. Go out there, and be in full control of your life.